Here is a little behind the scenes of a photo shoot of a sport model. Good morning, long time no see. So today we are doing a test shoot with Forte models. So this is an agency that has fitness models and work with different sport brands. So I want to focus more on wellness as a niche. And as I said, also my niche is also people doing things. So a lot of movement, fitness. Today we're gonna shoot with William, with the physio, and also a model for Forte. So we are going to shoot at his training facilities today using Nikon ZF and the 24 to 120. Even if it's a f4 lens, I'm gonna use the flash because it looks very good. Load, look up.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's much better, more cinematic, look.
Oh yeah, much better with the flash.
Yeah, you see it's shit lighting without the flash, no?
Yeah.
Okay, squat down, look up. Okay, stop there. Come closer. Okay, I need to do some details of you picking up maybe your hands around the thing.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, like that. But you don't have to pick it up, just hold it. It's cool.
Nice.
Put it behind you when you set up. Yeah, go. Stay there, stay like this. Yeah. Yeah. Stay like this, I want to, let me come here and then, now I'm trying to take the mirror shot and hide myself. But it's a bit tricky one to do, but I gotta get there. Yeah. Yeah, capturing you, putting the weight on. 2 minutes, stay there. Yeah. Yeah. Come a bit closer to the, yeah. Let me do a full, I think a full body is good. Yeah. One more. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Good form? Yeah, you like it?
Yeah. Nice.
So, yeah, so I can take front, side, back. Yeah. Come up, pose there. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Stay like this. I want to take the socks because they have on them. So when you actually like this is good. That's a good position. I'm not putting your face in this one. This composition. Just to have a bit of a product shot. So how did you end up being an On ambassador?
It was an application, so I just applied.
Oh, really?
Accepted it.
That's so cool.
They like what I'm doing in work and in the community and online. So.
Are you Australian?
Yeah.
Ah, I can hear the... Okay, now I'm gonna do a full body one.
Full body?
Yeah, like this. Look up. Yeah, I like that. Once again. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, wow. Hero shot.
Try. 1, 2, 3, up.
I like it. Can you sit down on the box and like rest and
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. And more like head, yeah. This is good, yeah. Look away, yeah. Look away, but also more toward the camera, like this, yeah. Try the other profile. Yeah, one way you look at the camera. Yeah.
Hangs like.
Ah, yeah. And I face you. Yeah. Yeah, you face me. Let's do a vertical first and then horizontal first. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, it's cool. You want? I want like a half body, just your hands.
Yeah. Halfway's good.
Yeah.
So halfway.
Look up, look at me. Look up. I was not framed very well there before. It's cool. Let me go on side. Side is good.
Side, yeah.
I can do both sides.
Yeah.
Just in case. Just. Oh yeah. Then the other side. Look up. Oh, big dumbbell. I love it. Stay there.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm too high. Let me come here.
Yeah. Good. And 1, 2, 3, wrap it up.
Yeah.
They look good.
That's good, no? Yeah, I like it.
They are, yeah.
That looks good. Look, mid movement here is quite good.
Not bad.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. And I'll tell you to stop mid. Yeah, stop there so I can get your definitions. Yeah, that's good. The dumbbell above the bench, so you can see it. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, this one is the one. That's the one. You don't like to show your face.
That's good.
I always like the candied one. This is cool. Candied is cool. Yeah. There. It's cool. Ah, that's what you want to do. Okay. Yeah. It's more the calves you want to show, right? Stretching and things like that, yeah. Yeah, this is a good one. I like that one. It's always my fave. You never do stretch. You have to do stretch. It's important to stretch. Ah, yes, that's a good one. Always good to pose. Let me go wider. I need your full body there. You go again. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's powerful. Powerful. Yeah, stairs is good. I like the, yeah. So I'm gonna face you.
I never drink this.
Let me take a shot of you opening it. Your,
You want me to show the brand?
yeah, show the brand.
Not sponsored.
Not so it's fine. It's just for me to show brands that I can take a picture of someone drinking their stuff, kind of thing. So a bit better. Yeah, look away. Yeah, that's good. Look up.
Portrait. I can do some portrait, yeah.
Yeah, you can do some portrait the same with natural light.
Get some like headshots.
Yeah.
This background is great. That background is grey. I'm not sure if you want the grey background.
Oh yeah, grey is nice.
Grey's nice. Okay.
Contrast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right balance.
Yeah. Sometimes you have to just take a deep breath
Yeah.
and then open your eyes, and then I take. This is when I take the picture usually.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Take a deep breath. Actually, can you do like maybe your leg up against the wall? Yeah, like that. So you quite relax. And I like how you ask me a question and then you're a bit like squinting a bit, like a bit mysterious.
Yeah.
Mysterious look. Yeah, squint and smirk. Yeah, you're a model, huh? You know what you're doing. But I like the wall, you know. And it gives like a rim light in your face. You see? You see the rim light?
Nice,
that looks amazing. Because there's a reflection there, and it's pretty cool. Yes. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And then look at me. Look towards me, but not at me. Yeah, like there. Yeah, exactly. Perfect. But you say you were going to smile. Where's the smile?
Oh, sorry.
This is good.
No, I think we're good.
Yeah, happy with that.
Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah. You happy?
Yeah, good. Thank you
good.
very much.
No worries.